What's up, guys? It's AP at apboombox.com. Ripping 2 random boomboxes and 1 eternity box for Dan B. Dan, I'm going to put your name on the boxes before we begin. Dan B. Dan B. Alright. Start with this one. Good luck, man. First box. Cards. Let's see what we got. First up from NT, 8 of 49, Buster Posey. Come on, camera. After that, Madison Bumgarner, 18 of 99. Nice. Need this to focus better. There we go. After that, from NT, Brandon Finnegan, 80 of 99. Governor, what's up? And after that, Reimer Liriano, 12 of 49 for San Diego. RPA, nice. Next box. Quad, nice. Tulowitzki, McCutchen, Dirty Patch of McCutchen, Agon, and Adam Jones, 14 of 25. We're breaking random boom boxes, $50 boom boxes right now, sir. And nice, John Franco, 39 of 50, Archives. That is from 1993. On-card autograph, John Franco, nice. That's Grant, who is Governor G. And empty. And the eternity box. Let's see what we get for Dan. Nice. Sam, don't look. 1993 Upper Deck 9.5 Gem Mint. Derek Jeter rookie card. Boom! Nice hit. Nothing wrong with that at all. Look at that. Nice. Thank you, Dan. Appreciate the order. Check that out. Jeter. What the hell? We'll get all that shipped out to you tomorrow. Thanks.